century.
In the 40s, men went off to war, and women entered the workforce in large numbers. They had to keep the country going.
In the 50s, the top 10 songs were about dependent girls and strong boys. African American women saw their husbands go off to war, but they told a different story than their white sisters.
In 1964, the Civil Rights Act, led by African American activists, not only advanced human rights and discrimination in all of its forms, but advanced the rights of women.
Women went from childish dependency to teenage rebel. And by the 60s, the anger they had built up, rushing for decades. And what did it become? Revenge!
Are you ready, Liz? Start off. But the 80s rocked the boat with a different attitude. Cynicism was in the air.
We realized love couldn't solve our problems when we heard songs like Madonna's Material Girl, which said,
Look, I don't want love.
I want cold, hard cash.
By the 20th century, women went from being property to owning property to managing property. Even big property like country.
Wow. Women moved away from the time when the majority of songs was about needy women and where men were portrayed as abusive and selfish. Now we need new love
Epistle of James, the message is clear that the kingdom of God is love, and that nature is the instrument of God's justice and love by the Holy Bible.
Hi, my name is Anaya Parker. As long as women are able to prevent their highest possibility, so long men will be unable to achieve the greatness which might be theirs by high writing.
Hi, my name is Amana, and I'm 13 years old. 50 years from now, it will not matter what kind of house you lived in, what kind of car you drove, how much money you had in your bank account, or what your clothes look like. But in the future, the world may be a better place because you were important in the life of a child. Mother Teresa, humanitarian.
Hi, my name is Valley and I'm 13 years old. You cannot separate peace from freedom because no man can be at peace unless he has his freedom. Malcolm X, American Muslim minister.
You see this scar on the top of my head? I got this scar in Greene County, Alabama, trying to register to vote in 1964. You see this scar on the side of my head? I got this scar in Mississippi, demanding civil rights. These aren't just my scars, cuts, and bruises. These are my medals of honor. Brian Stevenson, American lawyer and social justice activist. Oh, my name is Amonte and I'm 13.
Hi, my name's Javon and I'm 13 years old.
Hi, my name's LaTreasure and I'm 16 years old.
Close your eyes to racial differences.
And welcome all with the light of oneness. Baha'i writings.
My name is Azariah and I'm 16 years old. When social change began, it could not be reversed. You cannot educate the person who has learned to read. You cannot humiliate the person who feels pride. You cannot oppress the people who are not afraid anymore. But we see the future, and the future is ours. Cesar Chavez, a Mexican-American civil rights activist.
Hi, my name is Ariana and I'm 14 years old. I am leaving this legacy to all of you to bring peace, justice, equality, and a fulfillment of what your lives should be. Without vision, the people will perish, and without courage and inspiration, the dream will die. The dream of freedom and peace. Rosa Parks, mother of the Civil Rights Movement.